The MetaQuest 3 is a headset that can be crowned as the Swiss Army knife of VR headsets, doing everything in a way that sets a very high benchmark for its competitors while staying under a reasonable price tag. At first glance, you'll see there are a lot of new things going on when compared to its predecessor, the Quest 2, that's being sold at a discounted price, making way for the new iteration, the Quest 3. The design of the Quest 3 feels more solid and rigid due to upgraded materials for the facial interface. On the front side, you'll find 4 vertically arranged cameras with an infrared emitter between them. 2 of these cameras track your space for AR and mark out where you can play, while the other 2 show your surroundings in color. At the bottom edge of the headset, 2 additional cameras aid with tracking. Speaking of surroundings, the most impressive feature of this headset is its ability to use the pass-through feature with the full RGB color spectrum, unlike the Quest 2, which could only do so in black and white. This pass-through is greatly optimized, running at a higher refresh rate, offering better depth and a sharper image of your overall environment. Technical features include better optics and display. The screens have a higher resolution and great colors thanks to the new pancake design lenses. Additionally, the auto boundary detection is welcomed by those who have limited spaces in their rooms, essentially making the Quest 3 the best for all sorts of uses. Now, on to the star of the show, comfort. The Quest 3 weighs approximately 519 grams, just slightly heavier than the Quest 2. Thanks to its new and improved weight distribution, wearing the Quest 3 might actually feel more comfortable. However, the material used for the head strap isn't the most comfortable and can cause some fatigue on the sides of your head after extended use. But don't let that dampen your excitement. As mentioned earlier, the facial interface is extremely comfortable this time round. It includes the ability to adjust the lens distance using a movable mechanism built into the facial interface itself, which allows users who wear glasses to create space. In my opinion, this feature should compensate for the head strap's shortcomings. The headset offers better battery life, with up to 2.5 hours of gaming on a full charge, while the controllers are powered by AA batteries that will last longer than you might expect, thanks to their low power consumption design. Talking about the controllers, they've been improved in both design and tracking. The major difference here is the omission of the tracking ring. Additionally, the controller feels slim and ergonomic to the touch. These controllers are bound to make the users feel right at home with their familiar, yet intuitive usability. Performance-wise, the Quest 3 isn't joking around. Incorporated with the latest Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor and an Adreno GPU, the Quest 3 will shine through all sorts of VR tasks, apps, and games with ease. The gaming experience is just as good as you'd expect from a Meta VR headset because of the wide variety of supported games, such as the Vader Immortal, LEGO Bricktales, Nano, I Expect You to Die, and much more. Regarding the competition, the Quest 3 is a very tough product to beat due to its accurate price point, comfort, and features that no other headset can provide. The Pico 4 comes close and is cheaper, but it might fall behind due to regional availability issues. You might not find it at major retailers, and even if you do, it's not necessarily better than the Quest 3 because of its unequal weight distribution and troublesome wireless streaming. Ultimately, if you're looking for an accurate, comfortable, and wholesome VR experience without breaking the bank, the Quest 3 is your best option. It offers a blend of everything, including a great display, good battery life, and seamless connectivity. To sum up, what I like is the impressive and innovative controllers, the exceptional performance, the overall comfort, and the reasonable price tag. On the downside, the material of the head strap could be better. Ratings: Design, 9 out of 10. Performance, 9 out of 10. Screen, 9 out of 10. Comfort, 8.5 out of 10. Value, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10.